Hello guys, welcome to the new video. This video is about NVIDIA newly graphic card RTX series. Getforce RTX graphic card are powered by the Turing GPU architecture. Getforce RTX is the newly generation gaming graphic card. RTX brings up to 6x performance with the previous generation graphic card. So guys, what are the newly performance in the RTX series? So it has 6x faster performance, real-time ray tracing, AI enhanced platform, 4K enable gaming. RTX series is the world's fastest ray tracing gaming graphic card. When it's come to the next generation gaming, it all about realism. RTX 2018 with the new technology increase the quality of gaming. RTX 2018 has bring the changes in the real gaming and hyper realistic graphic card. Design. Let's talk about the design. RTX 2018 is a factory old clock and a feature next generation 8 phase power supply for maximum overclocking and dual axle 13 blades fan cupped with the newly vapor chamber for the ultra cool and quiet performance. This is the newly designed in the RTX series graphic card 2018. This was about the design of RTX 2018 graphic card. Let's talk about the specification. So guys, GPU architecture is about turning architecture. RTX OPS is about 60T. Boost clock is about 1800 megahertz OC edition. Frame rate is about 8 GB DDR6. Memory speed about 14 Gbps. For full specification, go to the NVIDIA website of RTX series, and I will mention in the description. Guys, go and check out this in the link. So guys, now you can pre-order this. I will be mentioning the link in the description. Go and guys check out the link in the description. So this was about the graphic card RTX series 2018 graphic card. So guys, let's talk about the overview of this RTX series. Uh, so the RTX series is about real-time ray tracing gaming. So guys, it is 6x faster than the previous generation graphic card. AI enhanced power performance, newly designed new architecture, that is turning architecture, uh, better graphics, better quality, realistic gaming, more power, better understanding about the gaming. And guys, this is all about my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, guys, please share this video with your friends, and let also they know about the RTX series, about all the specification and design, what about the newly added techniques and GPU architecture. And guys, I hope you like this video, and guys, please share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.